And in speaking of customer passion, we see this same level of excitement when it comes to Chevy truck customers. And with that, I invite my colleague Doug Kenzie, Chevy Truck Marketing Manager, to tell a little bit about our Chevy pickup story.
All right, thank you, Laura. And thank you for joining us for the introduction of the all-new next-generation Chevrolet Silverado. 2017 was a record year for Chevy truck sales. The continued success of our Colorado, Silverado, and Silverado HD are proof positive that our three-truck strategy is the right approach for the Canadian marketplace. So, after selling over 85 million trucks over 100 years, we've learned a lot about what truck buyers want and need. In fact, I'll go so far as to say is that nobody knows trucks better than Chevrolet. And we put all of that customer knowledge into the all-new Chevy Silverado. Ladies and gentlemen, making its first appearance in Canada, the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado. One of 8 models for the 2019 Silverado, from the affordable work trucks to this premium high country, each with its own combination of design, technology, and performance. With this broad set of offerings, we're confident that customers will be able to point to one and say, that's the truck for me. Thanks to our mixed material strategy, the new Silverado offers a longer wheelbase, more passenger and cargo volume, and yet it's 450 pounds lighter. 450 pounds! The doors, hood, the doors, hood, and tailgate are all aluminum. The fenders, cab, and cargo bed use steel. In each and every instance, we remove this weight without sacrificing safety, capability, or durability. On the inside, we make the cab configurations larger. Our customers demand lots of storage, and we found innovative solutions. We've added hidden compartments in the rear seat backs and a new storage bin under the rear seat, just to name a few. Work comes first for truck buyers, and the working end of every pickup is the bed. Every aspect of the bed has been redesigned. The result is the most functional bed of any full-size truck. We re-engineered the box to increase the width of the bed floor by nearly 7 inches. As a result, the new Silverado will offer best-in-class cargo volume regardless of bed length. To make securing cargo easier, the new Silverado offers 12 fixed and 9 movable tie-downs. We also went to a stronger grade alloy for the roll-formed high-strength steel bed. This delivers better impact strength without adding any weight. For more convenience, the industry's first power up and down tailgate is available. Put it all together, and the Silverado's new cargo bed is easier to use no matter what you're hauling. We'll also offer 6 different engine and transmission combinations. One of the engine choices is the all-new 3-liter Duramax diesel, an inline 6 that builds on our diesel expertise. We'll also offer significantly revised versions of the 5.3 and 6.2 V8s. These engines include our new industry-first dynamic fuel management technology. As I wrap things up, I want to remind you that today's Silverado is already the most connected pickup on the road. The first to offer Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, and 4G LTE Wi-Fi. So with more technology, more powertrain choices, the most functional bed of any full-size truck, a significant improvement in performance, we are confident the new Silverado will be the very best truck for every Canadian customer. I'll ask Laura to come back and join me for a quick photo, and then please come and take a closer look for yourself. Thank you very much for joining us today.